Hello everyone. We are reopening the school physically for the students of standard 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th from 1st of February, that is Monday. So the parents have to decide whether they want to send their child to school or not. If the parents are willing to send their child, then they have to fill the undertaking regarding the child physically attending the school. I'll read the undertaking for you all. I, Mr. Mrs. Dash, father, mother of Dash, class Dash, roll number Dash, resident of Dash, do hereby undertake on this day Dash, month Dash, year Dash, the following. That I have read and understood the directives of Maharashtra government regarding precautions against COVID-19 and I ensure that my child will follow the same. That my child shall follow all the guidelines laid down by school authorities regarding sanitization, social distancing and personal hygiene to ensure safety and health of all concerned. That I will prepare my child mentally ready for a new routine. That as per Government of Maharashtra directives, I will use personal transport to drop and pick up my child from school. That I shall provide a face mask and hand sanitizer to my child required as per the directives of government authorities. That my child will not exchange face mask with others. A mask will be disposed safely after sufficient use of the same. That my child is maintaining good health and at present he or she is not suffering any illness. That I will not send my child to the school if he or she is unwell and displays any symptoms like cough, fever, breathing difficulties and bodily weaknesses. That I will instantly inform the school authority and the state health authorities if any symptoms of COVID-19 appear in my child. That I will make sure that for better health of my child, he or she will indulge in physical exercises like yoga and he or she will have a healthy diet. That I will instruct my child that do not share own drinking bottle and tiffin with others. That I will be available at short notice on mobile number Dash to receive any information from the school if my child becomes unwell while he or she is in the school. That if our residing place is declared under containment zone, then I will not send my child to the school. That our family members have not travelled abroad recently. That I will instruct my child not to spit in the school campus. That my child will wear full-sleeved clothes and hand gloves to minimize the interaction with any public surface. I will see that uniform and other belongings of my child will be cleaned and sanitized daily. That I will provide 2 clean small napkins or a clean cloth and a hand sanitizer daily for wiping hands. That I will download Arogya Setu app and my child will commute only when the app shows safe and low risk status. That I am aware of the risk of COVID-19 transmission existing in the present situation in the whole country. But as fight against COVID-19 and for better academics, I will permit my child to attend the school physically. I personally take the risk of sending my child to the school and I shall not blame anybody, teaching faculty members, non-teaching staff or school management or other children in the event of my child getting affected by coronavirus. That I have seen the sanitization facilities and procedure adopted by the school for the safety of children and I am satisfied by it. That I as a parent assure full cooperation with school authorities towards physical reopening of the school and fight against the COVID-19 pandemic together. Signature of the parent, name of the parent, mobile number and alternative mobile number. All the parents, those who are willing to send their child to school will fill this undertaking and mail it on ppscorona2020@gmail.com. Now the rules. Once the child is in the school, the parents have to take the responsibility of pick up and drop of their ward, as no transport from the school will be provided. The parents have to drop the child at the main gate. When the children will enter the school premises, they must fall in 2 rows, one for girls and one for boys, and follow social distancing. The child must be wearing a face mask, a transparent face shield, and a hand gloves to minimize the interaction with any public surface, and carry a small sanitizer bottle. The child will be sanitized neck downwards, including bags and shoes. The temperature will be checked and oxygen level will be checked if necessary. The consent form of each child will be checked before the child enters the class. Students to report to school at 8:30 a.m. Between 8:30 to 9, sanitization process will be carried out. Total 4 lectures will be carried out without a break. Students can visit the washroom only if necessary. The washroom will be sanitized after every use. The students to carry their own water bottle. Sharing of water is strictly prohibited. In case any child needs water, warm water will be provided by the school on request. During the lectures, the children will be seated on alternative benches and maintain social distancing at all times. Dispersal will be carried out in the following manner. Class-wise dispersal will take place. The child will be signed out at the reception during dispersal. The students will leave the school premises with social distancing. The parents will pick up their ward from the ground in front of B building. An ambulance will be available at the school premises. Parents to inform the school authorities regarding any medical emergency. Parents to be available on the given phone number in case of an emergency. Dispersal for the first day, that is on 1st February. The dispersal will take place at 11:20 a.m. And after that, every day the dispersal will take place at 12 noon. For any query, you can contact the respective class teacher. Thank you.